The Nigerian Institute of Food Science and Technology, NIFST, has honored the president of the Association of African Private Universities, AAPU, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, with an award for his untiring support to the poor and the less privileged in the society. The award was presented to Professor Gwarzo by the chairperson, NIFST Northwest Chapter, Dr. Zahra Ubamali Nuruddin, on Friday, the 21st of July 2023, when she visited the permanent site of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria located in the Hotoro GRA of Kano. Dr. Bamali, who lauded Professor Gwarzo for his commitment to building a bright future for the younger generation, described him as a model worthy of emulation by all well-to-do individuals in the society. She extended appreciation to Professor Gwarzo for his handsome donation to the association during the first Regional Food Science and Technology Conference held recently at the Dangote Business School, Bayero University, Kano. According to her, the awardee should also be commended for his efforts towards the development of education in the country. Responding, Professor Gwarzo expressed delight for the honor and commendation the association for its efforts towards promoting local food and the global markets, which according to him would contribute significantly to the country's economic growth and development. He stressed the need to give priority to agricultural sector of the economy so as to boost food production to ensure food security in the country. Some management staff that witnessed the event included President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Vice Chancellor Franco-British International University Kaduna, Professor Abdullahi Sabo, and Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Nura Iyaro.